Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I last posted a video. We've moved spaces, so it took us some time to pack everything, move, unpack, get set up, and also work's been busy. Social life's usually busy at this time of the year with a lot of Christmas parties with clients and associates. But overall, it's been good times. But I do apologize for being absent from the YouTube channel. However, from here on, we're all set up at a new space. You'll be seeing more videos more often on several different topics. I'd love to hear what topics interest you the most. I know that I've got subscribers from all different subjects that you guys are interested in. Some of you follow me for my aviation videos, some of you follow me for my tech reviews, and some of you follow me for my business and marketing. However, I'd love to hear what you guys are interested in the most. Drop me a comment and let me know, and I'll definitely try and make more videos for you guys in that area. Anyways, what I've got here today is a IQUNIX L80 Cosmic Traveler Limited Edition mechanical keyboard with TTC Ace linear switches. So we're gonna do an unboxing and look at this keyboard from a full paying customer perspective. This review is not endorsed or sponsored by anyone. This is my own opinion, and I purchased this keyboard with my own money at full retail. So let's unbox this and have a look at it. First of all, I got this delivered through standard shipping, and shipping was terrible. I think the courier company just forgot to deliver it. It was sitting in their warehouse for the last 12 days until I raised a ticket with them, and I think someone had to find the keyboard and deliver it today after 12 days. Okay, so the box looks like it's been knocked around a little bit, but hopefully the keyboard in there is nice and secure. Looks like there's another box in there, which is kind of cool. Nicely packed. We're gonna get rid of this box. I must say, when I got the IQUNIX F96, it was much nicely packed, but this one, I think they're saving a couple of bucks on packaging. But let's see what the product inside looks like. Just a simple cardboard packaging here, nothing fancy. All right. Here is the keyboard. Feels nice and heavy. Pretty heavy for a plastic build, I must say. All right, nice packaging. Top case. I'm not gonna use that. Okay, so we've got Bluetooth and wireless version here. Let's see what else in the box. Mechanical keyboard user guide. And good old stickers. And in here we've got a USB cable. We've got a little brush. We've got a keycap puller. All right, so we got some extra keys, little brush, and all that stuff. Okay, let's test the keyboard and hook it up with the USB cable and see what it sounds like. So we're gonna wrap up the IQUNIX L80 Cosmic Traveler keyboard review here. I've been using it for a few weeks now and it's been really good. I haven't modified anything. I did film and lube one switch. It's TTC Ace. And I didn't notice enough of difference with lube and switches to justify rest of the switches being lubed and filmed, because it is very tedious and time consuming. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm really enjoying using it in its stock form, and it sounds really nice. Anyways, this is it for today, guys. If you've got any value out of today's video, please give it a little like and a comment. It really helps with the algorithm. I'm personally replying to every single comment right now, so let me know what you think of the video. And if these are the kind of videos you'd like to see more, do consider subscribing. Thanks again for your time today, and I will see you next time.